So according to Judd Burstein, Nicki Minaj's lawyer, Camille Vasquez was a genius and she was strategic enough with Johnny's case to make herself an iconic and wanted lawyer. Camille is actually an associate and has not yet been qualified as a partner by her firm. But she did such a great job that most already see her as a partner. No firm would allow her to have a role in a big trial like this if she wasn't on the partner track, said Burstein. There are two factors that go into making a partner: your quality of lawyering and ability to attract business. She can probably go anywhere and make a nice deal for herself. Camille Vasquez's quality of lawyering was at its peak during the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. She and her team were able to prove to the jury and the world that Amber was guilty of all 3 charges against her, and they won.
Statement was made or published by Ms. Heard. Answer: yes. Question: the statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer: yes. Question: the statement was false. Answer: yes. Question: the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer: yes. Question: the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer: yes.
She was also seen as the strong, no-nonsense woman who was just as respectful as she was tough. The amount of times she objected in court and got her objection sustained was enough to have already guaranteed Johnny's win. She objected so much that she got Elaine, Amber's attorney, dry and tired to continue making up stories.
Objection, Your Honor, leading. Objection, Your Honor, leading.
It's not offered to, it's,
And hearsay.
Sustained.
Your Honor, it's prior consistent statements.
It's leading. It's my
Objection, Your Honor,
therapist.
hearsay.
Sustained.
Your Honor, may I approach?
That's fine.
Objection, Your Honor, leading. Calls for hearsay.
Yes.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
Their suggestions.
Objection, Your
you didn't
Honor,
tell
can
me.
we approach? This is, again, an
Divorce,
objection
correct?
leading.
I
Objection
did.
leading.
She was also not shy of telling the truth as it was. She politely asked Amber about her sexual allegations with a Brocken bottle and why Amber never went to seek medical attention. Amber tried lying that she had sought medical attention, but Camille shut her up, asking her where the records were. Another time, she bluntly told Amber that Amber had requested her boyfriend Elon Musk to pay some money for her in the charities so that she could eat some of the $7 million she had alleged to give to charity.
$1,000 that was donated to the ACLU in your name wasn't paid by you, right?
I believe Elon made a donation in my honor on one of the years.
Yeah, and it didn't come out of your $7 million divorce settlement, right?
No, nor did it count towards my pledge.
And at least $500,000 that was donated to the Children's Hospital.
Camille also proved that she stood for justice and that it didn't matter against who, when she politely but firmly asked the judge to ask Amber to stop answering when there was an objection in place.
No. Ms. Heard, my questions. Your counsel will have time to redirect you after. You testified under oath, quote, the entirety of your divorce settlement was donated to charity, end quote.
That is correct. I pledged the entirety.
I'm gonna move to strike everything after yes.
She also respectively asked Amber to stop answering her questions however she liked. But with a yes or no, Amber was trying to concoct some stories of how she had donated all the money to charity and how she was never with Johnny for his money. Through Camille Vasquez, we realized that Amber had been lying to us all along and that she had only pledged the money to the charity without ever paying it.
Side. You've seen this photograph as well, right?
I have.
On the 3rd day of your direct testimony, you testified that this photograph reflected spilled wine in Penthouse 5 on May 21st, 2016, didn't you?
Again, I don't know because I'm looking at a partial picture of a floor, so unless you remove the metadata you've covered up, we could then tell. If you
I didn't
remove,
cover it up, Your Honor.
Could we unredact
Your Honor.
them so we could get context?
That's how it's in evidence.
That's how it's in evidence.
Next
Well,
question.
the metadata next to it is so that
Ms.
to
Heard,
avoid this
Ms.
sort of
Heard,
confusion.
there is no question pending, and I would appreciate it if you wouldn't be making argument to the jury.
Sorry, I
It's
thought you had
inappropriate.
asked me about it.
No, I didn't ask you about anything. Let's look at your direct testimony from the 3rd day.
Throughout the trial, Amber had been staring at the jury whenever she spoke, and it was really creepy. It took having a cross-section and a warning from Camille Vasquez for her to stop staring. Camille had not only proved her lawyering abilities, but also her ability to attract business. In this age and era, the easiest way to attract business is through social media, and Camille was able to get her name right in the middle of the internet. She was trending everywhere, even to people who didn't necessarily follow the case, because people were fascinated by the fact that a woman of color was such a force in the courtroom, and people were even referring to her as their new role models. Some fans even tattooed her name and visuals on themselves, while others tattooed the word objection in respect to how Camille was in court. She became even more famous than Amber and Johnny, the celebrities in court. She was the moment, being greeted by fans who were waiting specifically for her to arrive in court.
Camille, you did great today.
Now Camille is on her way to become one of the greatest lawyers of her time, and just like Nicki Minaj's lawyer had stated, she's also on her way into becoming a partner at her law firm. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.